In consulting, we live and die by the strength of our networks. So if you want to have a successful consulting career, you better learn how to build and cultivate your network. Now, if you struggle with networking, you're in luck, because in this video, I'm going to teach you 2 of my top go-to strategies for building and nurturing your network. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified every time I post a new video on accelerating your consulting career. What I'm about to share with you are the same techniques I've used my entire 35-year consulting career. And trust me, when I put these into action, my career shot off like a rocket, and the same thing's going to happen for you. Let's get into it. Number 1, building your networking elevator pitch. Networking starts with developing and leveraging what I call a networking elevator pitch. Done well, delivering a compelling networking elevator pitch will secure a meeting with your target person every single time. Now keep this in mind, securing a meeting with someone is easier if you focus on them, not on you. Most people, especially leaders, love to talk about themselves, their teams, and their programs. So focus on them to get the meeting. Here's an example of a networking elevator pitch. Hi, I'm Michael Hendrix, and I'm a senior consultant in our Dallas office. I understand that you lead the supply chain practice and are expanding our client base of projects in the consumer packaged good industry. I would love to learn from you and learn more about these supply chain projects and your go-to-market approach. Would next Tuesday morning for coffee or Wednesday for lunch work best for us to sit down and discuss these topics further? Okay, let's break it down. There are 3 parts to the networking elevator pitch. Number 1, that's your short intro. Hi, my name is Michael Hendrix, and I'm a senior consultant in our Dallas office. Then you move to number 2, what I call the vanity hook. This is something that the person is doing or is known for that you want to learn about. In my example, I understand that you're the lead of our supply chain practice and are expanding our client base of projects in the consumer packaged good industry. I would love to learn from you and learn more about these projects and your go-to-market approach. Then you move to number 3, which is what I call a presumptive close of meeting options. Now, you're not asking for the meeting. You're already presuming that you're going to meet, and all you're doing now is negotiating the best time and date with 2 options. And it goes something like this. Would next Tuesday morning for coffee or Wednesday for lunch work best for us to sit down and discuss these topics further? Practice your networking elevator pitch on family and friends first, and then build confidence and delivery skills. Then you can move on to your target business colleagues and prospects and clients. If this is speaking to you, hit that like button right now and type the phrase networking elevator pitch in the comments. That'll help me extend the reach of the video. Number 2, set and execute weekly networking goals. Now that you've honed your skills building and delivering a networking elevator pitch, set yourself a goal of networking with 5 new people every week. Commit to securing 5 meetings each week. Make this a recurring habit every week. Also, remember, it's just as important to nurture your existing network as it is to grow your network. So set a second goal each week of 5 people who already are in your network that you can meet with and strengthen those relationships. If this is speaking to you, hit that like button if you've not done so already, and type the phrase networking for success in the comments below. This will help us increase the reach of the video. If you're struggling with your IT and business consulting career, I would love to help. Hit the link in the description below and download my Consulting Career Accelerator app, and let's get started accelerating your consulting career today. Be sure to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and be sure to check out this next video titled Public Speaking Freeze, Never Again. You can find a link in the description below. I'll see you in the next video.